Today, we are back in Boston Seaport District, reviewing and walking through a $5.2 million penthouse home directly on the South Boston waterfront. This ultra-luxury condo features 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms spread across 2,160 square feet of living space with a private terrace. We are on the 22nd floor at the St. Regis Residences, which was just completed. This building is the first ever residential-only St. Regis project with no hotel component. Seated at 150 Seaport Boulevard, this development was finished in early 2023, featuring 114 high-end condo units and an upscale restaurant called Savor. I am going to take you through Penthouse 2F, one of the last remaining units here, discussing features, finishes, location, and amenities. For those new to this channel, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a residential real estate advisor here in Boston, Massachusetts. I work with people from all over looking to relocate in and around the city. If you have any questions about this property, real estate in general, or making your move, please message or call me anytime. My contact information is here on screen and in the video description below. This residence has south and east facing views of Boston Harbor from every room. As an owner, you will enjoy magnificent sunrise views of Boston Harbor throughout, with ample natural light and the best custom handcrafted hardware, top-of-the-line appliances, and carefully selected fixtures and finishes. The home has an open concept living room and kitchen, which leads out to an expansive private terrace, looking south over the harbor, perfect for outdoor dining or hosting guests. Views seen from the kitchen, living room, and terrace include Boston Harbor and the Harbor Islands. You will frequently see planes arriving and departing at Logan Airport from the comfort of this home. Priced at $5,199,000, this is one of the most premium homes currently on the market in Boston Seaport District. Condo fees for this unit are $4,700 monthly and include heat, water, gas, hot water, security, maintenance, management, valet, and all amenity spaces. This fee is inclusive of garage parking for 2 vehicles. The building stands at 260 feet with 22 stories and a total of 114 condo units. Overlooking Boston Harbor, the St. Regis is the tallest condo building in the Seaport and was designed to look like a ship appearing to twist on its axis. Featuring 1 to 4 bedroom homes, the St. Regis Boston is about 60% sold out at the time of this filming. The project was built by Cronin Development and the building was designed by Elkis Manfredi Architects. With specially designed floor-to-ceiling windows and engineered wide-plank dark oak floors, this residence delivers a cozy yet modern and functional waterfront living experience. Recessed lighting, Philip Jeffrey wall coverings, and custom window shades throughout add a touch of elegance and convenience. The chef-rated custom-built gourmet kitchen is perfect for those who do a lot of cooking and contains every tool one would need for hosting dinner parties. Premium appliances in this kitchen include a vented 5-burner Wolf gas cooktop, a built-in Wolf oven and microwave, a tall Sub-Zero refrigerator and full-height wine cooler, as well as a dishwasher by Cove, one of the finest models available on the market. Polished countertops are marble with matching backsplashes. Italian soft-close custom cabinets are also present, tying the whole kitchen together to create a sleek, modern look. These cabinets provide plenty of space for those who need extra storage. The kitchen island is of course a great space for prepping and cooking meals, but also offers casual seating for quick meals, coffee, or gathering with friends and family for drinks. The living room provides plenty of space for more formal dining. The St. Regis is home to a diverse group of residents who are among some of the most distinguished and influential in the city. Residents include company executives, doctors and healthcare professionals, professors, lawyers, and other highly esteemed people. There is a community feeling within the building, and residents frequently gather or go out to events together. Penthouse 2F has a den space currently staged as a home office. This area could be used as a media room or a more formal dining room, opening up the living area. In some of the other residences here at the St. Regis, which include a den, the room is more enclosed, which limits the usability of the space, which is why I like this configuration. Also present in this residence is a large butler's closet featuring a washer and dryer with plenty of storage space. The St. Regis is one of 4 developments in the Seaport District which are right on the harbor. The other buildings include 22 Liberty, 50 Liberty, and Pier 4. These projects were all completed between 2015 and 2019 and have some of the highest unit appreciation rates in the city of Boston. This is a clear indicator that over time, homes at the St. Regis will grow in value. This home features an additional bedroom suite with Boston Harbor and Seaport views. This bedroom has unique slanted floor-to-ceiling windows which let in abundant natural light. The style of window wall used at the St. Regis is highly unique and cannot be found in any other Boston condo building. This room is spacious and could fit a full or queen-sized bed, as well as a desk, dresser, or chairs. There are also spacious closets as well. This bedroom could be configured as an office, media room, or guest bedroom. Also in this room is an ensuite bath with a radiant heated marble floor, floating vanity, and shower tub combo. As mentioned, there are other floor plans available here for sale, ranging from 1 to 4 bedroom layouts with prices between 1.7 all the way up to 20+ million. Several weeks ago, a combined home here consisting of 2 units sold for $20,350,000, breaking the previous sales price record in the Seaport District by $5 million. This transaction will likely be the #1 biggest condo sale in the city of Boston for 2024. The average sales price per square foot here is around $2,300, with monthly HOA fees at a little over $2 per square foot. The St. Regis is located right in the center of Boston Seaport District at 150 Seaport Boulevard. The Seaport District is one of the most popular places to live right now, being minutes from downtown Boston and right on the harbor. The area is a hotspot among people of all ages and backgrounds for its nightlife, shopping, and dining scenes. In terms of demographics, the Seaport attracts mainly a crowd of young professionals who work in tech, finance, or healthcare. This group is mainly attracted by the new developments and upscale amenities in the district. 40% of Seaport residents are between the ages of 25 and 34. In addition to young professionals, the Seaport District has also seen a growing number of empty nesters and retirees. 23% of Seaport residents are over the age of 55. Given its proximity to Boston and Cambridge, home to MIT, Harvard, BU, and Northeastern, the Seaport also attracts undergrad and graduate-level students who choose to live off campus. There are countless restaurants, shops, and cultural attractions immediately outside the doorstep of the St. Regis. The Seaport is a massive hub for innovation, being home to many startup companies as well as headquarters for several Fortune 500 companies, which continues to draw people in. The primary bedroom features great southern harbor views with large walk-in closets. Dark oak floors and high ceilings are present in this space, which can easily fit a queen or king-sized bed, along with the desk, dresser, or chairs. For additional temperature comfort, there is a smart home thermostat within each bedroom and bathroom. Another impressive feature of this primary bedroom are the 2 walk-in closets. There is plenty of storage space within this home. In the hallway and foyer, you'll see additional closets, and of course the other bedroom has its own wardrobes. For those in need of even more space, there is a designated locker room in the building for keeping large items like skis, bikes, or things you may not want to keep in your home. The St. Regis manages the private residences, delivering the quintessential service and coveted culture for which it is known. A 24-hour security doorman and bellman service ensure a secure and welcoming environment. There is an in-residence dining service from the on-site restaurant Savor that allows residents to enjoy exquisite meals in the comfort of their own homes. Housekeeping, messenger, and pet care services are provided for added convenience. Valet, dry cleaning, and laundry assistance save time and effort for owners. As a resident here, you will get priority reservations and discounts at St. Regis hotels worldwide. Another rare offering in this building is the inclusion of a dedicated butler service available upon request that can take care of everything from running errands to calendar management and event planning. The large, spa-inspired primary bathroom is outfitted with custom fixtures from the Shirley Wagner collection. Radiant heated marble floors and floor-to-ceiling temperature control operated via smart thermostats allow for maximum climate customization. An expansive, frameless walk-in shower and standalone soaking tub are included. The marble floating dual vanity provides additional storage space. Stepping into the frameless glass walk-in shower, the marble surround adds an additional touch of luxury. There is also an enclosed toilet and a soaking tub designed exclusively for the St. Regis residences. The St. Regis residences offer access to an array of world-class amenities. Owners can benefit from the exceptional services provided by the St. Regis trained staff, along with direct access to over 12,000 square feet of exclusive amenities. The Grand Lounge overlooking the harbor offers the perfect place to relax or host guests. A full-service bar with several TVs make it an ideal spot to enjoy the company of friends and neighbors. Residents will often gather here to watch sporting events or have food and wine tasting get-togethers. On the same level, there is a library perfect for working from home, reading, or studying. In this space, there is also a boardroom with a catering kitchen. Residents can use this space as a professional backdrop for Zoom meetings or reserve the room, using it as a private office for in-person meetings. For golf enthusiasts, there is a dedicated golf simulator room. This room is equipped with a state-of-the-art golf simulator and features a wet bar, creating a perfect space for practicing swings, improving skills, and enjoying a virtual golf experience. Another highlight is the heated infinity pool overlooking the Boston Harbor, which residents can enjoy year-round. It is complemented by a jacuzzi, steam room, sauna, and a spa. There is also a private yoga and Pilates studio, which provides an ideal space for personal training sessions and practicing these popular forms of exercise. Residents can enjoy tailored fitness experiences and work on their physical well-being within the comfort of their own home. A weight room with personal trainers is also available on-site. There are also 2 residences which can be booked for owners' guests. Pet owners will find convenience in the pet washing and grooming station, which offers all the necessary equipment for keeping their animals clean and well-groomed. Lastly, residents have direct private access to the on-site restaurant Savor, where they get priority seating reservations. Overall, this is one of my favorite condo buildings in the Seaport District neighborhood. With some of the best high-end features and finishes, this home embodies modern luxury waterfront living. With quick access to dozens of high-end shops, restaurants, entertainment options, and more, the Seaport District couldn't have been a better spot for this development. Residents have everything they need just steps away. Downtown Boston is just minutes away, driving or walking, allowing residents to quickly get into the heart of the city. Again, if you're looking to make a move in Boston, whether you already live here or are relocating, please message or call me anytime. Offering a white glove concierge level service to my clients, I am always available to discuss your real estate needs or concerns. I specialize in luxury condo buildings, such as the one we toured today. However, I do work in all price points. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think about the home in the comments below, and stay tuned for more informational videos on Boston real estate, property tours, and building reviews.